Hi, I'm Vanessa Lynch, Pennsylvania Field Organizer for Mom's Clean Air Force. Today's book is The Rhythm of the Rain by Graham Baker Smith. Isaac was playing in his favorite pool on the side of the mountain. He felt spots of rain on his cheek and looked up. The clouds above him were turning dark. He emptied his jar of water into the pool as the rain made little streams that ran out of it. When the rain stopped, Isaac raced the streams down the mountainside. He followed them to the river that ran past his home and then plunged down a waterfall. Somewhere in all that tumbling is the water from my little jar, Isaac thought. As the river went on, it got deeper and wider. Creatures came out of the woods to drink and to wash, and fish leaped high out of swelling water. On and on the river flowed, winding through the country and winding through the city. And everywhere it went, people and creatures found a use for it. Eventually, it joined the great ocean. Where's the water from my jar now? Isaac wondered. The ocean is home to many creatures. A great whale opens its huge mouth to feed and swallows some of the water from Isaac's pool. Later, by the light of the moon, the whale rises and blows a great fountain into the starry night. The water falls like rain back into the sea. It flows with the currents that run like rivers, deep, deep down, where the sun's light never shines. Then it rises to ride a storm all night long. In the calm morning, the sun turns the waves golden. The ocean steams in the heat, and some of its water climbs as mist into the sky. The mist cools and gathers into a cloud that floats over a mountain in a country far, far away from Isaac's pool. The clouds release their gift of water. They fill the pool where a little girl is playing. Down the mountain the river runs. Elephants and giraffes, flamingos and zebras celebrate the return of the rain. On and on the water runs, back to the sea. Where a giant squid, surprised by a shark, creates a cloud of ink, sucks in some seawater, and jets away to safety. Once more, the sun heats the ocean, and some of the seawater rises as steam into the sky, where it forms into clouds, and then rain falls on the land, as it's done for millions of years. Then thirsty flowers draw the wandering water into themselves, waving like bright flags around the pool where Isaac plays. Mom's Clean Air Force is a community of over 1 million parents united against air and climate pollution to protect our children's health. Our environmental story time will be dedicated to reading environmental and conservation-focused books. At a time when we all feel like we want to do something to help the world, we will learn together how our world is being impacted by climate change. And remember, no one's too small to change the world, and no change is too small to make a difference.